Guys, Mayeni sometimes she can change anytime. Today she is happy, tomorrow she is angry. You understand it? Musamseleku, he doesn't not expect those words for Mayeni because she was explaining about Makumalo says she is delusional. Guys, those things happened last year. You understand? Those things happened last year, but Mayeni, she is still thinking about those words Makumalo says that she is delusional. I think that, guys, Mayeni sometimes she is happy because, guys, those people, they are at a family trip, they are happy. You understand? Mayeni and Mangwabe sometimes they act like weather. You understand? Because today they are happy, tomorrow they are in some mood sometimes. Because, guys, Musamsalegui doesn't not expect those words to Mayeni. Mayeni last time, maybe she is avoiding Macele because Macele, is coming to the meeting. Understand? Maybe she is avoiding Macele. Even at the family meeting, maybe she was thinking that Macele, she is coming at family trip. That's why Mayeni, she goes to family trip. But if Mayeni, she was at Macele, she was at family trip, Mayeni, she was not there. You understand? Maybe she refused to go to family meeting, family dinner, just because of Macele. Maybe she is avoiding Macele. But the person who have problem is Mayeni sometimes. Mayeni, she have got a problem. You understand? Because last time when they have got fight with the Macele, Mayeni is the one who start Macele. You understand? It's the one who start insulting Macele. You understand? Because sometimes those two people, they are fighting for positions. They are fighting for position. Mayeni, she doesn't not expect that Macele is the first wife. To even now, she doesn't not expect that because Musamselek, when he married to Mayeni, you understand, Musamselek doesn't know, not tell Mayeni the truth that he have got already have a wife because Macele, she was staying at Sea Park. You understand? He didn't tell his wife that he didn't tell Mayeni that he was already married to Macele because Mayeni, when she comes at Muzumbe, Masaule at that time she was passed away, and Musamseleku, guys, do things that he hates Mayeni most of the time because Mayeni, she is still hurt because he doesn't tell Musamsek doesn't tell Mayeni that they have got affair with Makumalo. Makumalo is his wife. Doesn't tell Mayeni the truth. That's why you saw Mayeni doesn't want those wives, doesn't want, not accept that Macele is the first Musamseleku first wife, doesn't respect Macele just because she was thinking that she is the first wife of Musamseleku. You understand?